Hello, hello. How is it going? This will be a very short stream because I have some things to do, but let's see if we can find someone to looking. So what did Price do this morning? Also, we have the first one here, the second one there. Yeah, so I was waiting. Friday, I was waiting for Price to reach this level. It reached that level, and I disconnected in between here and there. And Price still gave the flip after reaching my level. Should have waited a bit more before disconnecting, but I had some things to do. As of today, I need to be. This stream will only be 45 minutes because I need to go then. Okay, so I was looking for a short up here. All I see now is price making structure. So we have the first swing there, the second one here. But I don't like the fact that the high are close to one another. Let's see what price give us. Let's see where price close outside of the TBR, right? I'm just showing. Okay. $22 points here. 33. Okay. Yeah, I don't like the fact that the higher close one to near, and but at the same time, this looks like up, retest, up again, test, might be something like this. Let's see where we close out of this, and I'd be, if price come above that, I'll be looking for a short here, and longs are below, as always. Here is my long, here is my short. Hello Maxime, how's it going? Cool. Let's see what's happening to gold. So it appeared that gold kept going up. able, depend on how it runs here, we might be able to see some retests. Let's see how it closes out of that 9 AM TBR too. Alright. Oh. This is also good. Okay. So we're waiting to find something. Maybe I'll hide the structure pilot for this one. Let me see. Here. Another here. So here's what's going on. Based on the fact on those this is a flip. There's a flip. But the thing is that I don't like is how close the high are one to another, right? If price fails here, then we can get below all those low. If not, we get above here. If we get above here, we might find a short in here coming back there. That's the plan. I just want to find one entry and then go. I just hope price get out of this range before before I have to leave. Actually, I have to leave in 30 minutes, so let's see. Da-da-da-da. Crazy up and down this morning on NQ, and it what happened this morning here? Oh yeah, that's market open did that, but it's just structure. Like you can see with the structure pilot, it's just structure. So there is one down move, we come and close above, we get down, we retrace back in to the 70% of it, and price break the last uh, uh, down move that um, price break the last down candle, trade above, retested, up. This is just bullish price action. Pretty clear also. Looks like we're going, so you have this come down, up, yeah, look like we're going. Let me check something. Alright. This is a nice down candle. Based on structure, based on what price is giving us right now, I'm expecting this high to get taken right here. So let's find a little thing in here. Small entry. So yeah, price got kept doing nice structured move. One down move, second one here, close above. Come, we have some nice deep mitigation out of this first swing, second swing, right? So I'm expecting this high to get taken based on the fact that the first swing and second swing were formed, and I'll always expect the third one to do first, second. Yeah. Let's see if price fail up here or something, but I'll be looking for some entry up there. Oh, there's three of them right now. Alright, here we go. Oh, was there news? What? Just waiting for a close outside of this TBR. So yeah, market open as us. It's not even about market open. We are in a range. This is top of the range here, bottom of the range there. The last low that putting a high is here. I was pretty sold on this low getting taken, but when this rounding happened, like price couldn't was making high and one close to another breaking structure. This low made that high, this high made a lower low. We come up and sweep that high, come back down, make this high, and I thought we would go there, but missed. The target was missed by a few points, 30 points. But there were some entry in here that I took, right? But from here, from the behavioral price action, I'm just waiting for a close above or below this opening range. I would be looking for a short from up there based on the fact that we are in this old 9 a.m. TBR here, and I'm willing to look for a long here based on something else. There's a TBR also, but there's something in here that's telling me that it's a good place to long. So I'm not trying to make too much decision in the middle of the range. It's always like this until it doesn't look like much anymore. Let's see. It's a substantial thing. Oh, let me go back to the 1 minute. So yeah, we're waiting. So we have on the lower time frame we have what? Let me check. All right. Is this? Did we? Okay. So we're just ranging, but here's the thing: there is price came down and closed below those candle, right? Came back up, tap back in, and one could say this is a high that made a low, that made a low high. This is equal high, which is one the low and stuff. Yes, could be, but this is exactly how SNDRs are made, also. Like the zone, the price is coming back down and then make a high that's lower, slightly higher than the previous one, then come back down to the low before just running back up. This is why I'm not too sold on shorting in here. I rather wait for higher to do so. Just in the tight range, right? That was one. Still waiting. And again. All right. Still waiting. I'm gonna have to run in like 10 to 15 minutes because I have to bring my brother to the doctor. Look like price will still be in here by the time I got up. Yeah, this is looking like a nice target to me. The bar that put there to short. I mean, not from. It might be a little higher than the short present itself, right? But look like a nice target to me. Also. I have my associate, which is also my brother-in-law, that's sending me some wild stuff about price. That's why I'm laughing. Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, this is. I got. We for anyone aims to want to do some show on the channel. What? Short video? What do you mean short videos? And as I was saying, we just like this is a range. If we come up and close higher, price might retest and up. If we come down here, price might retest and down. This is just a range. Simple. What would you like me to explain exactly, Capucine? Like, the concept that I'm trading in, the how to. I can try and do short videos. For now I'm just streaming my trading, but later on today I can try and do short videos. What is that? How to what? How to trade? Concept of what? What do you mean? Yeah. Still waiting on closure. Well, I didn't take it into it here. I mean, at least on the account that has some money behind it. But yeah, I got you. I understand what you mean. Okay, we got some action. Look like price cannot make a new high up there. Still in a range though. Interesting. All right. Still no close. Either up or down, below the 9 a.m. range, right? Or above. That's what we're waiting for. And what about GC? What about GC? What about it? Let me check. What do you want to know? What do I see on GC? I'll put you through it. So we had some structured move coming down from GC here. This high making that low, then we have that high. This is the 15 minute, right? I'll go to the lower time frame. So there's this high making that low also, right? And then when we swept below this, this is price come down and tap into 30% of that previous range right there and start running higher. Here's what I think about GC. I was looking for the eye to get taken once we did that actually. And as for now, as for what is going on right now, I'll be looking for close. There's no close above the opening range. I'll be looking for a close. We are in this. Let me get rid of that. This is the origin of a move that sent price below the last low, right? So we entered into a range in here. I wouldn't be longing here to get to this high, but if we get some nice pullback in there, I would be looking for longs to get higher. Yeah, this is what I see on GC. Did we get a close? That's a nice rounding. Look like we're looking for a low here. I'm gonna have to run. Unfortunately, price did not reach my level as of yet. I have to go. I just have to bring my brother to the doctor. But I will be right back later on. Look at this range. What is this? Alright. So yeah, I have a good trading session. I'll be right back in about 2 to 3 hours.